Hey everyone, in this video I can show you how to create this type of nice mega menu using Elementor Pro and plus add-on. You see this content are changing by hover, not like clicking on this tab. So I used this to plugin and some custom CSS. So this video is bit long. So if you can follow this video step by step, you will learn lots of things from this video. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we can add a new section, and on this section we need to add three container or three column. So it's better if we can use this layout, and on here we can add a top bar. Simply on the top bar it should be green type background, and right side should be text. So let's copy the color and paste it here. We can add two links item here. Just add two links on make a referral. Another is client login. So I can use just hashtag and let's make it right alignment. Text should be white and 16 or 14 pixel. Transform uppercase. Okay, so this should be enter. Let's update the font family. Enter. And 400. Let's use here a gradient color. See, we need to use a dark and white type blue gradient. Should be dark, and another should be bit light green like this, and it should be 90-degree, like, yeah. Okay. Now we can create the nav section. So the container width should be around, okay, 14 and 40. So let's use the same width for this also. Okay, and on the left column we can use an image for logo. Let's use this logo. It's a education purpose, so I can use this logo. And after that, let's reduce the column with around 15%, and right side should be a call to action, so we can use 20% here. So 15 and 20%, 35, and should be 65. So right now it's 100% match. Okay, on right column you can use a button here, and let's use the text icon library, I can use right arrow icon like this, should be right side. Okay, let's use a background color like this, and alignment should be right side. Should be also 16 pixel. Transform uppercase and padding 10 pixel. Okay, we need to increase this bit like 22 and reduce here to let's increase the left right padding 20 and border radius 30. Increase 1% and decrease 1%. Okay. Let's make the section alternative center, and here we can drag menu. So we can use this mega menu of Elementor. So let's drag it here. Services, white label program. Services. New program. After that, results. Pricing. Resources and contact. I can normally use here. Okay, I can reduce this. Stay here. No problem. On resources, on resource and service, these two should be mega menu feature. So let's toggle the service, and you see the drop down content is off. So if I can hover, there are no interaction. So let's enable it. So and click it, you see it's the drag widget option here. So right now it's ready for add mega menu feature. So there should be a left tab and right side content will be changed, this feature. So for this we need to use the plus add-on tab element like tab and tabs and tools. Let's try it. Okay, it should be fit to content. Sorry. Should be center. Let's make the width as we used here, like this. It should be center. Let's select it again. Should be fit to content. I can use full width here. And on this container we can use 1440. Yeah, it's okay now. And this tab section need to customize, like we can use these tabs on left side, so the layout should be vertically and default active on hover tab should be enabled. Like if we can hover, then the right side content should be changed. Next option, tab columns, tab autoplay on it, layout content. Let's select the tab on, and you see default there are just few text, and you see the content source, content and page template. So for each tab we can create a new template, section template for showing the sub menu items. So let's hide the icon first, and unique ID. Okay, and let's save it and go to the dashboard, and we can create template. Let's add a new template. Sorry, add new. It should be section and the section name service on menu, just for understand. And on the section there should be 4 columns like this. Remove the padding. SEO. This tag title should be inspired. Transform uppercase, I should be 700. Okay, and then there are 2 list item, icon list, okay. I added the text and reduced the font size like 15 pixel, and icon also 15 pixel. Let's update the icon color black and make it another duplicate and update the text. Let's use hash Okay, you can update this link later. So direction should be none. So we remove the underline and increase the space between 10 pixel. Okay. And the text color should be bit lighter, and also icon like this, and use left 5 pixel margin. Okay, and now I can just duplicate it 3 times and remove the empty containers. And now I can update the text. So for time saving, I can skip it. Okay, I updated the text, and on the last column, I need to use an image. So I can drag an image here and make it full width and select the image. Select it, and I can use a link of this image, like currently use hashtag. And after the image, we can use another text link, just duplicate and drag it here. Sorry, just keep normal image and make it center. Okay, for this we can use text decoration, underline like this. Make it 0, top should be -10, publish. Okay, and let's make it mobile responsive. So in mobile, we can just reduce the font sizes. So 14, and remove the spacing. So just copy the title style and paste the styles. Copy, paste style, '14. Okay, let's select this container main section and select the inner containers and remove the white space. So increase it around 5 pixel. 5 pixel for these sections. 5 pixel. Let's open navigator. And reduce the margin. Publish. Okay, so it's fully ready now. So this is for first tab. Tab on, and tab 2, 3 are bit similar. Just update the content. Okay, so let's use this template first here. So I can select tab on, paste template, and template should be okay. It's showing page template, so we create this template as a section template. So for this, it's not showing here. You see testimonial footer header. and there are no section template are showing here. So let's copy the all the content and exit it and create a new page template. Page menu service on. Or another, let's refresh it and try again, because I hope it's not showing because we didn't refresh it. So let's refresh and check another tab over here, template. Yeah, it's showing, so we don't need to create new one. Okay. Background visibility, showing icons, outer icons. Let's preview it because it's not showing here. Preview. Yeah, you see it's working perfectly. Okay, now we can duplicate this template. We don't need this. Exit. Move trash. Service menu on. We can just make a duplicate using EA duplicator. This feature comes from Essential Addons. So if you want this feature, you can use Essential Addon or page duplicate plugin. There are some plugins available. Okay, this is for service 2 and update it and edit with Elementor. So this section have 3 columns, so we don't need the last one, and fix it. 3 with 3.3. Okay, we did a mistake, small mistake. So this one we didn't use right side border for the previous one, so let's fix it now. Service on. Here I need to use a border. Go to style, border, solid, and right side with kind of like this. And for these sections, you can use left default 10 pixel and left side 30 pixel or 40. Same way for this section, border, solid, right side, and let's copy the color. Copy, paste. Again, select this on 10, left side 40 pixel, and style, border, solid, border right on. This is the color, and again use padding. Left, sorry, normally 10 pixel and left side 40. Yeah, it looks good now. So we need to remove the padding on template 10 pixel all side and for mobile also. Let's check on mobile how it looks. Yeah, mobile looks good also. On mobile, I hope we don't need to use this border. So open structure, select and go to border, reduce the border width, border, remove width, the same for the first also. Okay, we already work on here. So again we can go to I can exit it, but we don't need to repeat it here. Or if there are just 3 columns, so we can do it here also. For first, solid, right, left side 40, same, left side 40. We don't need this for here. You can remove it. We don't need padding on the first one. Let's see the second border, solid, right. This is the color. Same for left side 40 pixel padding. That's it. Let's check. Okay. On tablet, remove the padding should be 10 and mobile we can remove. We can remove the border on mobile 0. Yeah, 0. Publish. Okay, the second tab content are also ready. Just we can update the text. So select it, update. Let's update the text. Okay, I update the text and these parts also under this category, so we don't need this title. And on right side border we can remove this border also, don't need it, and remove also the padding and give some space on the top to align this item same to same like this. Okay, publish. On mobile we can remove this top spacing and left should be 5. And the last on, let's create the last tabs template. Go to dashboard, save templates and duplicate it. Should be number 3 and update. Here should be also 3 columns, just a bit different structure. Like on the right side there are no text and there should be just image. So let's copy the image. Okay. There should be 2 lines of each icon list, so we can make it a bit different way. Like first copy the text and I need to add a line break. Let's make it bit bigger. Technical support, it should be first one should be bold, so you can use B tag and B also here, and after that it should be here to make the breakdown, just it. And let's fix the icon position. The icon position should be in top, so select the icon top and like this. And now again use the same way, copy the text. Okay, I updated the text. And after the design, we need to add a simple interaction for all of the sub menu items like hover effect. So first of all, I can complete the structure, then I will add the animation for all the sub menus. So in the text right side, we can use this true image, like 24. We can use the first image, P, and after that the second image, yeah. And also you can use right side border like this, publish. Okay, let's check on mobile. On mobile we can use two column layout for this image to better experience, like this, center, yeah. Okay, so our first mega menu structure done. Now we can add a hover interaction. Let's change the color first. Let's copy the color. Okay, this is the text color. We need to change the icon color also. Yeah, this one. And also in hover text, there should be a decoration, like go to custom CSS, selector A hover, then span text decoration underline, like this. Okay, and also when hover the anchor tag, then it should be bit space in the left side, like this. Margin left 20 pixel, like this. But the animation is a bit faster. We can use transaction, TR transaction, sorry, transaction or you can remove it and make it 5 pixel bit, not lot more. Yeah, it looks good now. So you can copy this. Let's copy and paste the style first, and then we can use the CSS code. Yeah, works perfect. And after that we can use the same, sorry, make publish. We can use the same code for the others, service 2 and on also. Paste style, responsive. Yeah, copy, paste style. Again you can use 30 like this. Mobile should be 0, left 5. Publish. Same for others also. Paste style. Done. Now we can refresh the main page again, because we have another challenge. This challenge should be a left side icon and right side text for this tab, so we need to use it also. Let's select the tab content first, page template and service 2, again page template service 3, and this don't need to show icons, close it. Go to tab title bar, the navigation with like this, navigation title with alignment, vertical align should be center, or we can use top, no problem. Typography, tar should be 16. Tab description, we need to use tab description also. Let's copy the tab title and description. So first should be this on, and then the description. We need to icon, or we need to use an image in the left side, so we can select image and choose an image like first test on a icon. Okay, should be full, show outer icon. We don't need to show outer icon, so we need to fix this image alignment later. First of all, we can add the text, and let's increase the navigation width. Width is bigger, but still is navigation title width. We need to increase the navigation title width, so it should be 100%. Now let's increase this percentage, how it looks. Okay, it's not perfectly working, so we can use fixed pixel like 300 or 400. Okay, full width. Okay, we can fix it using custom CSS. Let's check the preview first. Tab 2, tab 3, yeah, it's working smoothly. Okay, and let's update the another tab text. Select this one, the text. Update. Yeah. Publish, save change. Okay, now we can increase the description with like title, and this is the description. So let's increase the title with first, like 300, and tab description. We can increase this from here also 300. And right now the text are showing good. Or sorry. Let's select the title bar again, and this is the description. And okay, let's inspect it and check. Okay, we need to reduce the padding a bit more. Select the title and increase the width also. Yeah, now it's okay now. And we need to update the images. So select the image, update the first one, then select another one. In the icon it should be image also. This one, and the last. Now I can use some custom CSS for fix this. Okay, for fixing this issue, I used some CSS. Let's show. This is the CSS code. Selector Elementor tab title. Then I used left side padding and wrapper, icon wrapper with 40 pixel, position absolute, left side padding 20 pixel, and the icon wrapper image should be 40 pixel width also. Just it, and let's go to style, tabs and title. You see this is the percentage and this is the width, and also the description. This is the width also we can use 400. And on tab title bar, there are two colors also, normal and active. We use black color, and here is the light dark bit. Let's check. Yeah, that's it. And tab title background, you see I used border, box border, solid, and zero border width, and used 10 pixel border radius. And when the is active, sorry, not this one, this is the background type. We used a active gray color, light gray type background color. So you see when you can hover, this showing a soft background color gray. Okay. I will add this CSS on my description so you can easily use it. Okay, now let's check the preview again. Refresh it and hover. Okay, the icon creating problem. So let's check this issue. Image width, max width 15 pixel. So we did a small mistake on our CSS. Let's close others. Okay, go to the image. It should be max width. Publish. I hope it will be okay now. Yeah, it's working perfectly. So let's make this menu perfect first. So we have a background color like this color, white, and also a border radius 20 pixel and box shadow transparent like this, and it should be 20 pixel, and this is the style. And on the right hand side, let's select the tab content, go to style. This is the content and content background, background option, background type. Background should be normally this type of gray color like this. Just copy this color and use it here. Publish. And let's use, okay, we don't need to use padding right now. You can remove the padding. Publish. Let's check again. Looks like this. We need to reduce the width. Okay, for fix this width, we need to use the content width fit to content and center. And on this item, we can use full width and make 1440 pixel. And let's use some space on the top. So select the mega menu item and go to style, space between items and distance from content. We need to make it like this. 20, yeah, like this. Publish, save, and check it now. When hover, you can see it's working smoothly. So we can create this nice navigation with hover effect using Elementor Pro and the Plus add-on Pro. So if you can use WordPress and Elementor, then you can able to create this type of nice mega menus. So you have more flexibility when you can use Elementor Pro. So thank you so much for watching this video first to last, and if you like this video, kindly share it to your friends. Bye.